Welcome, Dr. Bing. This is Manoj-Surana. I'm going to present my FIP presentation on digitization, predictive maintenance for Ultratech Cement. I'm going to cover following major topics: digitization pitch, why digitization is important for plant maintenance or the maintenance order or scheduled maintenance order, objective roadmap, what is an objective, and how we are going to implement, and what exactly the initiative is, the digitalization initiative for the cement manufacturing for Ultratech, benefits to the ABG oblique Ultratech, and the major risk and challenge. Next, digitization, predictive maintenance opportunity. This is the beautiful picture which define my project. See the different three boxes is showing. One is energy saving, one is available potential, one is quality improvement. Energy saving. If your cement manufacturing is connected to a digital platform, then you can able to track the energy, how particular equipment is taking how much energy. You can track all the meters online. Okay. You can also track the availability potential, means equipment health checkup. If the equipment health checkup is properly, then overall life cycle of your cement plant will be higher, overall production or shutdown will be lower, and ultimately it is goes to the quality improvements, and quality improvements lead to the customer satisfaction. Next, why digitalize predictive maintenance? We need to understand why digitalize, because digitalized predictive maintenance will give you the leverage technologically benefit. Digitalize in the manufacturing process create totally new production landscape. New production landscape means it's a value-based system. How it will be derived the value? I'll tell you. It will normally, whenever we digitalize the process, your machine will be connected through the network, and it will be generate the data, extracting hidden value from the data. Now, value, how did you deliver the value? If you have a data, you can analyze your equipment, you can analyze your energy plan, you can analyze your process also, you can analyze the security, you can analyze, you can take the decision based on the data. So ultimately you can generate the data, and data will generate the value. So this is the value based system. Turning smart data in the business benefit. This is most important. You are able to track your equipment's operational efficiency from the shop. So this is the most important benefit of why digitalize predictive maintenance. Next, digitalization objective. What is an objective? Why we want to do this? We have understood earlier why. Now, what is the real-time understanding? What is an objective? Objective is real-time predictive maintenance plan. Means you are in front of, there is a large manufacturing processes. Cement manufacturing process is always very large, and you are in front of any equipment and you want to track all those parameters. Even you don't know what are the parameters are there. System will tell you, okay, these are the 100 parameters for that for this particular equipment, and you want to track, okay, this parameter okay, this not okay, and if it is not okay, then what to do, what not to do. So these things of real time predictive maintenance you want to do. Now, how you will do is, you have to leverage the technology, means you have to put the technology to track the real time predictive maintenance. Now, what means, you have to do entire maintenance process as a digitization process, and it should be always simple. Once the process is simple, then it is very easy to understand user and easy to implement. So my concept is right one in use anywhere approach, means user has to work only one time. It should not like that user has to work again and again. So this is the basic concept to apply for this particular digitalized object. Next. Now, what is the initiative? What initiative I'm going to take? So I'm going to create a tape-based application or a mobile-based application. The objective is, manufacturing process always has an ERP system, that is a backbone application. for any manufacturing process. So that particular application will connect to the ERP system based on the particular criteria. Either it should be a plant criteria or particular date, particular plant section or particular route. For example, if FLE, frontline engineer, want to take an inspection of particular route, particular plant section, then he is able to connect to the ERP system, enter the details, particular plant, particular date, particular plant section, and fetch the data. Now your tab is ready to take inspection. Go in the fields and take a real-time inspection. In this inspection, in front of particular equipment, you just search the equipment. It will show all the parameters, and this parameter user has to check, or FLE has to check whether the temperature is okay or not. Is there any abnormal sound is there? Is there any problem? Is temperature is okay? All those parameters he has to check. In case of any abnormality, he can able to record the noise also. He can able to take the pictures in case of any faulty, so that it should be application should be a real time application. And then once he come back in Wi-Fi zone, he has to sync back it to the ERP system and upload all the data. Now once the data is uploaded, then it will automatically generate notification. What is the notification? Notification means you it this particular notification goes to the particular department like electrical, instrumentation, or any mechanical section, and then it automatically generate a maintenance order for particular department you have to do, or you have to go and check the equipment. It is going to create a problem. So these kinds of tab application which I am going to take initiative for predictive maintenance plan. Next, benefit to the initiative. So what is the actual benefit of this tab application? For that we have to understand the existing process also. In the existing process, we are doing inspection manually. So in the manual process, whether the inspection is really carried out or not, there is no guarantee. So there is an always problem. In case of missing, if user write anything, you have to understand there is no clarity, no transparency, lack of functionality upon means in the manual process you cannot do anything. You cannot upload image, you cannot able to track the actual parameter, even you cannot parameter the all the parameters which you want to track for particular equipment. So this is the existing process. Now from the existing process, what is the benefit over the new process? In the new process, it's totally employee centric or customer centric approach. User can go at any time. Time is very flexible, and go and check whether what is an actual equipment health, what a particular life cycle of that particular equipment. So that application has a real time exchange with ERP system. Equipment capacity utilization properly means you are utilizing the full capacity of that particular equipment. For example, in particular equipment, if particular part is giving a problem, then you have to maintain immediately so that your equipment life cycle can be increased. Cost reduction. The the main objective of any process or any system is cost reduction. And this is highly demanding because in the manufacturing industry has tremendous pressure on the competition, and cost is most important factor. So if you're utilizing the maximum capacity of the equipment of the plant, then the cost will be the lower. Energy efficiency, I'll give you the real time example. The all meters in the cement plant are now online, and they are connected to the particular system where in every 7 minutes they are taking the reading. So in case of any high reading in particular section, they can go and check it why it is going, which particular equipment is giving a problem. So ultimately it will energy efficient system also. Maintenance cost is obviously minimized. Lowering breakdown and shutdown. I'll tell you a real story. In the cement manufacturing, particular equipment called kiln, even breakdown, means it is breakdown for 2 hours, the cost of that breakdown is more than 25 lakhs rupees in INR, and if it is shut down, then it will be crores of rupees loss. So if you avoid any single shutdown, then it is a real big benefit to this particular digitalized process. Next. Now, how did you implement the system? Implementation. So in the implementation, what I feel is always the business team and IT team play important role, and that also we have learned in IT strategy also. In the IT strategy, your business project is merged with IT system, or business project is married with IT system, then only it will be successful, means it will deliver more value, more benefit to the business. For that merging, I would like to select very first of all as a business team. In the business team, there should be one business process owner who will be very senior management guy from the business, and two particular team member from each plant section who should know the detailed understanding of the business process. So there is a business process separate team, and then IT team. IT team means one project manager who can work with BPO, business process owner, closely, and technical team who can understand the process and try to make the same process based on the user requirement. The user interface should be very easy. Try to validate again and again from UAT, user based user confirmation, and the process implementation. Process implementation, design the as is, what is as is, and to be, what exactly they are required in the system, and what are try to analyze the gap also, and then design the system. Design such a way where the basic important thing is key, it should be connected to the ERP system. Then the order is available in the tab for the checking whether it is okay or not okay. If it is okay, then it will give you green signal immediately to go and check check the maintenance, schedule maintenance, whatever maintenance decide for the particular equipment. User go and search particular equipment, all parameter to be displayed on the screen. User track all the parameter, save the data. User come back, and then one more important thing is user have a tabular format so that he can able to understand all equipment detail, particular equipment parameter detail in single format. So he can just click OK, not OK. If you want to track the image, there is an image box. If you want to track any noise also, there is a noise box. So the application user interface should be very simple. And then he has to come back and sync back to the application. So sync back to SAP or ERP system. So once he has to sync in ERP, it will automatically generate the notification. So what notification will do is notification will actually create a process order for particular department. So department can go and check whether what is the problem and try to verify and close it. So this is the whole process which I am going to design and implement. Next, major risk and challenges. Risk, the network failure is always create a problem in inspection. Second is the hardware failure. Cement industry is very dusty environment, so it is a create an issue. And then tape costs or mobile costs are very high. So these are the major risks. Challenges. Merging IT system means the team collaboration should be very important. That is itself as challenges. Hardware and network consistency, because this is in the cement manufacturing process, plant maintenance is a backbone system. So there should not be any failure in hardware, and the business process optimization. So this is most important. You have to generate such kind of data is available, such kind of report, so you can optimize your process. Means business analytics. So generate a business analytics report. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening me. Thank you, Dr. Wing. And this is again a very beautiful picture to show my whole process, whole project design in a single. See, the beautiful cement plant is showing, and this is the beautiful digitalized. Thank you. Thank you very much.